People don't see what really happens behind the scenes of selling a home. This one took over a year. I had the privilege of standing by Andy and Australia through one of the most emotional journey of their lives. This wasn't just about selling a house, it was about transitioning into a new chapter. Together, we found them a senior independent living community, helped them declutter decades of memories, coordinated repairs, and just when we thought we were ready, a pipe burst during the freeze. It couldn't stop everything, but we did give up. Through every challenge, we stayed patient, focused, and keep moving forward. And I have to give a special thank you to their incredible relative, Erlinda. She was the backbone of the entire process, from helping them navigate digital documents to organizing a yard sale. She made the impossible possible. When we finally brought the home to the market, priced right and beautifully prepared, we received multiple offers, and today we closed, funded, and done. Everyone is happy, and my heart is full. If you or your loved ones are going through a big life transitioning, I'm here to help every step of the way.